Hello, my little stars. How are you all? Everything good? All right. So today we're going to learn about sound of L and S. So double L. L will sound as L. L. And double S means SS will be sound as S. S. Okay? So let's start learning some words which have these sounds like L or S. Ready? Let's start. Grass. So grass. So grass. So this sound, double S sound. Grass. Grass. Glass. Again, glass. 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 एक साथ glass. Glass. Cross. C-R-O. So crow. Crow. And cross. 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 Very good. Doll. So D-O, doll. And double L will sound as L. L. Doll. 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 Bell. Bell. So bell. Bell. So this is double L sound. Bell. Bull. Bull. So B-U. So bull. 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 Press. So this is press. Again with sound S. Press. Press. So press. Press. Dress. So dress. Dress. So again sound, right? Ball. 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 So एक साथ ball. 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 Hill. Hill. So hill. 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 Well. Well. So well. 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 Hiss. 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 So snake makes sound of hiss. So this is the sound of double S, right? Hiss. Exactly. So student, ये थी L and sounds. And आप लोग मुझे examples देंगे कुछ ऐसे words का जिसमें ये sounds आती हैं. देंगे ना? Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet in the next class. Till then, bye-bye.